Okay, so applying primer on my upper eyelids because I decided to do my eye makeup first and also the eyebrows. So outlining the eyebrows with my eyebrow pencil, and also the links of all the products are in the description box down below. So the eyebrows are filled with light brown color, so I'm filling it in after outlining them, and then I will move on to the eye makeup. Brushing it off to give it a nice finish, and now I'm applying concealer on top of the primer that was previously applied and adjusting it with the sponge. Now I'm applying the pink shade from the Nykaa or the NK's Sugar Plum palette, and I'm applying the lightest pink shade on my upper eyelids as a base for the eye makeup, and then I am filling it in the rest of my eyelids, and then I will use the darkest tone, that is the darkest purplish tone, to highlight my inner corners. After doing the inner corners, I'm taking the pink shimmery shade, applying that shimmery shade using a flat brush halfway on my eyelid. So I'll be applying it only in the half of my eyelid and not on my full eyelid, and then completing the rest half with the purple shade. So basically it's a combination of pink and purple. Now I'll be using a simple brush and I am rubbing off all the fallouts because shimmer shades does have a little bit of fallout. Next up, I'm using the Saffron cream as a moisturizer from the Good Vibes. I really love this moisturizer. I'm applying it on the rest of my face because I'm moving on to the base makeup. After using the moisturizer on all over my face, next up I'll be using the Insight primer and I'll be covering it up as a base for the makeup so that everything mixes up well. And as usual, I'm using the Insight primer, and then I'm using my favorite Maybelline foundation, Fit Me Foundation, along with ADA's Pro Liquid Illuminator along with my foundation to give that glowy glam look. So I'm firstly rubbing it off with my fingers, adjusting it, then I'm blending it with a sponge so that there are no harsh lines, and I am using my Insight Pro Conceal to conceal my under eye. I drew it in an inverted triangular motion, and now I'll be blending it with a sponge. And after blending, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me face powder to set everything up, and I'm using the face powder all over my face on top of my foundation as well. So after using the face powder on my face and also on the neck, don't forget your neck. And then I am using my Lakme Eyeliner to line my eyes, and then I'm using my Bae White Kohl on my waterline, and then I'm using Swiss Beauty blush on my cheeks, and then meanwhile I also added on my lashes, and then I am using the highlighter from the same Swiss Beauty palette on the cheeks and on the bridge of my nose. Next up, I will be using the Insight lipstick that dries complete matte. It's a beautiful matte pink shade and its name is Pink Curve, and I'm applying it on my lips, and then I will be doing my hairstyle. For the hairstyle, I'm keeping it really simple because this is a glam makeup look, so I'm just rolling my hairs on both sides and bobby pinning it. And for the rest of my hairs, I'm leaving it open, keeping it really simple for the shop to me evening look. And yeah, you can carry this look during the daytime as well because it's really light and simple with a hint of glam. That's how I like it. And this is my final look. Let me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click on that little bell so you get notified every time I put up a new video. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.